Imagine the roar of a 471cc parallel twin engine coming alive under your grip, smooth and responsive, delivering 47 horsepower that punches above its weight without overwhelming the senses. The 2025 Honda CBR500R isn't just a bike, it's an invitation to the thrill of the ride. With its sleek, aerodynamic fairing inspired by the CBR100RR Fireblade SP, complete with integrated winglets for enhanced stability at speed, this machine turns heads and corners with equal finesse. Clip-on handlebars and a low-slung fairing create that perfect sporty posture, where every twist of the throttle feels like a conversation between rider and road. Priced accessibly around $7,399. It's the gateway for newcomers and a refined companion for veterans seeking unadulterated joy without the excess. Slide into the cockpit, and the view forward is pure adrenaline. A razor-sharp LED headlight slicing through the dusk, flanked by aggressive lines that scream velocity. The 5-inch full-color TFT display glows with intuitive clarity, linking seamlessly to your smartphone via Honda RoadSync for navigation and calls on the fly. Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) works invisibly, monitoring wheel slip to keep you planted on wet pavement or loose gravel, while dual-channel ABS ensures confident braking. At just 192 kilograms wet, the diamond frame chassis dances through traffic or devours canyon sweeps. Its Showa 41mm SFFBP front fork and ProLink rear suspension, soaking up imperfections for a ride that's as forgiving as it is fierce. It's not about raw power, it's about feeling every nuance. Launch onto the open highway, and the CBR500R reveals its soul: nimble, narrow, and endlessly engaging. The liquid-cooled engine revs freely with a throaty growl, offering torque that surges low for effortless overtakes or higher of excitement on twisties. Fuel efficiency hovers around 70 mpg, making long hauls a breeze without sacrificing the sport. Ergonomics shine here. A 785mm seat height welcomes riders of all statures, and the upright yet forward-leaning position wards off fatigue on century rides.